Hey everyone, so I got a quick tip for you. If you're ever draining a differential or a transfer case or anything that you're draining, make sure you have a way to fill it again. Let me show you real quick. Here I'm going to drain this differential in the Toyota. This is the one we're going to do axle bearings on. Technically you don't have to drain it, but the reason I'm draining it is because I'm pretty sure it's going to have metal in the fluid. So what we're going to do is we're going to crack the fill plug free and take it out. Obviously I already cracked it free before I even started this. So that's out. And now I'm going to do it with the drain plug. Same thing. I already cracked it free beforehand, just for video purposes. So now what I'm going to do is pull that out. Because really I want to see the quality of the fluid too. And I'm sure it's probably never, ever, ever been serviced. Oh, actually it's not that bad. But as you see, it does have stuff on it. So I'm glad I did. There is a bit of a tinge to it. So that does tell me that yes, there is some metal in there. So. But anyway, like I said, the reason for me pulling the fill plug out first is if you pull the drain plug out and the fill plug is seized, how do you get fluid in it? Now you're stuck. I've seen it happen, especially with transfer cases. Some GMs actually used a quarter drive female on the fill plug, and that rounds out real easy because people over tighten the snot at them. So if you're getting anything out of my videos, hit the like button. Please subscribe. It'll help me make more videos. That's it for now. I'm going to keep going on this. Keep wrenching.